Okay, and finally, this took a minute to set up. Just real quick, hey, got some new tarot cards and oracle cards in the mail, and I just wanted to open them up with you, cleanse them together, just real quick. I don't have much battery left on this, but yeah, so I'm going to cleanse them and dedicate them for the highest and best good of all, myself, the collective. Cleanse my auric field too. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, that feels great. Wow. Oh, it's like, ooh, it feels great. So yeah, look. Okay, so I've been waiting for these. I am so excited about. The box got kind of crushed in transit, but I don't care. I have been waiting for these cards. I cannot wait to play with them and get into the realm, the spirit realm that these cards operate in. Oh, I'm so excited. And they're round. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. I have some new tarot cards. Ow, 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 ow. I had some good coffee this morning. I'm probably still buzzing from my Starbucks coffee. Yesterday I tried that new apple oatmeal crisp, whatever. I had a long day yesterday, 4+ hour commute in from my previous location, and then 2.5 hour drive home. So it was, I don't know, 6-7 hour total commute to work. Ended up being a 14-hour shift. So yesterday was long. I needed a little extra boost, so I had that. I wanted something with that blonde espresso in it, which, you know, the blonde espresso has more, the caffeine content is a little higher than the regular dark roast espresso, which tastes so delicious. But the lighter, you guys probably already know this, but some may not know this, about the different roast of the coffee bean. The lighter the roast, the more high caffeine content you get, and the lighter the taste is, and the darker the roast, the more dense and robust, heavy the taste is, which a lot of people like that dark roast. I like the dark roast flavor, but I like the when I need a boost, I like that blonde espresso. It's really good for that. But I don't drink it every day, and when I do, it takes it 2-3 days just to get out of my system. The stuff is so strong, you know. So I'm having another cup this morning of Java with a white chocolate sugary creamer. I've been trying to be good. I've been doing the whole cream with monk fruit sweetener, and that's good. But I go through that whole cream like super fast. So anyway, I had some of this in the fridge, and I thought I'd use it up. But I need to adjust my diet. I've kind of gotten off track these past few months in my diet and my exercise routine. But anyway, that's a side note. I'm super excited about these cards. A lot of tarot readers have incorporated them and they're called tea leaf. And they just kind of add another layer to your regular card mix, you know. So I am stoked over these. I really am. So I just wanted to share that opening with you. I have 3 more decks to open with you, but I just wanted to record this. So let's pull one. Oh, the cat. Oh, little cat. Let's see. A two-faced friend. Ooh, are we dealing with a two-faced friend? Ooh. Oh, that's fun. Anyway, so I can't wait to play with these. Alright. I only have so much battery juice. Okay, and so this one is called Raise Your Vibration Oracle. It's an oracle deck. Y'all heard me say, I love the oracles. I love the oracle cards. Almost more so than the tarot. But I don't know, I feel like the tarot, it's just a different vibration. It kind of grounds everything, I guess. Ooh, I'm so excited. Raise your vibration. Oh, look, they have the Merkaba on there. Are we going to travel in the galaxy as we raise our vibration? Ooh. Let's pull a couple real quick. 1 or 2. Okay, 1 or 2, alright? Oh, thank you, dear universe and spirit guides. Oh. Alright, let's see. Let's see what the message is. You are worthy. Oh, I love that. I like the symbolism. I lovingly accept myself. Forgiveness brings freedom. Yes. And choose kindness. Maybe that's how we should behave towards that two-faced friend. Dear Lord, with friends like that, you know. Okay. And I've really been wanting these two. The Mystic Martian. I have some other cards that this deck is gonna go great with. I can't wait to read with those. Oh, I'm so excited. There's one more deck I want to get to go along with this collection that I want to read from. But I just get, you know, a few decks at a time. Oh, let's see. Oh, these look kind of psychedelic. Like it. I like it. I love it. I want to see more of it. Oh, dear Mystic Martian. Interdimensional beings. This is going to be a great channel for you to work through. Let's see. These feel kind of good as I shuffle through them. They all have a different flow, you know, and I think the card stock makes a difference with them, I'm noticing. Alright, let's just pull one. Water element. Reflection, kindness, and compassion. Oh, and you know, remember in my video I made the other day where I was walking out in nature and I asked the question, what is it about water? Because water has been ministering to me lately, and it's like I love the energy that water holds. I'm super sensitive to energies here lately and growing more sensitive every day to things. When I get around water, reflection, kindness, and compassion. It's really cool. And remember the reading where the dolphin card came out? It goes great with that. Okay, so let's see. And then, drum roll. This is for Halloween, for the month of October. So the Jack-O-Latern Tarot. I can't wait to see what these look like. These are gonna be so fun. Oh, I'm so excited. Ba-da-ba-ba. Our deck by, ooh, I can't even pronounce that name. Let's see. One of my G.I. Joe friends attempted to school me in the phonics methodology, or what do you call that? Phonics, whatever that is. I said I never learned phonics, you know. I learned to spell hardcore memorization, which really has hurt me through the years because I suck at it. I was so happy when spell checker came out. But anyway, oh, these are cute. Let's see. The Jack-O-Latern. It's the back. And the cards look like this. I like the artwork. So let's pull a couple of these and see what the tarot. I don't have my chart in front of me to help me interpret them because I haven't learned them all yet. It's like my guitar playing. I can read music and play, but it's painfully slow. Alright. Let's pull one. Oh, that one wanted to pop out. So this is Ace of Swords. We'll have to look up what that means. Ace of Swords. That's cutting some serious shit. They're up in the clouds. I'm not sure that's a bald eagle or a buzzard in there. My glasses are failing me. I think I need to go up a strength, my readers. Uh-oh. I just lost. I really need to go buy some new readers. Oh my god, they're falling apart. I should take my eyesight serious. These are blue blockers. They block the blue light. But they're so big, you know. I don't need all of that for readers. These are cool. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you all.